Your memories stay deep in my heart. The love we shared from the start. Even though you're far away from me, I don't know where you might be. Oh my love, though you're far away, I will never forget you. Oh my love, though you're far away, my heart will always love you. I remember those sweet old days when our love would light the way. My heart was full of happiness, like paradise in tenderness. Why, my love, did you go away, leaving me alone today? Why, my love, did you go away? I still think of you every day.
Where are you now? Where do you stay? I wish I knew where you are today. Since the day you left my side, I'm still waiting with love inside.
Without a reason, I still wonder why you left me here alone to cry. Without a reason, I still wonder why you disappeared and said goodbye. Did you forget the love we knew and all the promises we made so true? The love you once showed to me, I still remember.